Hi partner, this is the latest model of Diode laser. The most advantage compared with other peer product is this laser is equipped with a FL, focus light laser bar. The maximum output of this handle reaches 1800 watts. Moreover, it can be equipped with different working tip with different spot size. This is a bigger spot size, magnetical. You can change the working tip of different spot size as you wish freely. And at the back of the handle, here is a smart screen. You can adjust parameters here. Cooling, frequency, energy. And if you are willing to cooperate, we will provide you with customization no matter the handle, the machine, and the interface as you wish. Thank you.